Thyme is one of those humble herbs that often goes unnoticed, yet it quietly transforms both gardens and kitchens with its fragrance and flavor. This small, woody plant with tiny green leaves has been cherished for centuries, not only for its culinary value but also for its soothing aroma and traditional healing properties. When you brush your hand against a thyme plant, it releases a warm, earthy scent that feels both comforting and refreshing. Though delicate in appearance, thyme is surprisingly hardy and resilient, thriving in sunny spots where many other plants struggle. Growing thyme at home is a simple and rewarding experience. It does not demand constant attention, making it perfect for beginners as well as experienced gardeners. Thyme prefers well-draining soil and plenty of sunlight. In fact, too much water can harm it more than neglect. Planted in a small pot on a balcony, along a garden border, or even between stepping stones, thyme spreads gently and forms a soft green carpet. During the growing season, tiny purple, pink, or white flowers bloom, attracting bees and adding subtle beauty to the space. In the kitchen, thyme is incredibly versatile. Its flavor is slightly minty, earthy, and mildly lemony, which pairs beautifully with roasted vegetables, grilled meats, soups, and sauces. A few fresh sprigs added to a simmering pot can deepen the flavor of a dish without overpowering it. Unlike some herbs that lose their taste when cooked for long periods, thyme holds its character well, making it ideal for slow-cooked meals. Dried thyme is equally useful and often more concentrated, so even a small pinch can make a noticeable difference. Beyond cooking, thyme has long been associated with traditional remedies and natural wellness. For generations, people have used thyme in teas and infusions to soothe sore throats and coughs. Its essential oils contain compounds known for their antibacterial qualities, which is why thyme has also been used in natural cleaning solutions and skincare preparations. While modern medicine offers many alternatives, the continued use of thyme in home remedies reflects a deep-rooted trust in this modest herb. What makes thyme truly special is its balance of strength and subtlety. It survives heat, rocky soil, and dry conditions, yet offers delicate leaves and tiny blossoms. It enhances food without dominating it, and supports well-being without demanding attention. Whether growing quietly in a corner of the garden or adding depth to a family recipe, thyme proves that even the smallest plants can leave a lasting impression. With minimal care and a little sunlight, this timeless herb continues to reward those who choose to grow and use it.